welcome to my fresh face look tutorial. I love this makeup look because it's just really a great everyday look. It's a look that you can wear on the weekends, hanging out with the kiddos. It's a look that you can wear to the office. It's definitely more of like a fresh face, makeup, no makeup look. You know that look that we all really like. The Truly Warm Sable Brown works for every eye color and every skin tone. So I go in with shade 1 and I put it on the whole base of my eyelid. Make sure you don't go too far up. Go in with the contour, which is shade 2. I like to fill in my brows, starting from the middle to the end, and I always fill in the top part of my brow first. Then go in and fill in the gaps towards your nose. Next, go in with the True Velvet eyeliner along the lash line, just on the upper lids, and blend away. The Truly Lush mascara and lash primer. I love a good lash curl, so find your favorite and crimp away. Now apply the lash primer on your upper lashes, then go in with the mascara. I start from the lash line and then close my eyes on the lash brush. This applies the color all the way from the base of your lash to the tips with no clumps. Coat your bottom lashes. Truly Thrilling Cream Blush. I like to apply on the apples of my cheeks because it gives you that nice, natural, flushed look. So go ahead and give yourself a little smile. Magic Balm is my be-all end-all for all of my tricks. I apply the Magic Balm at the top of my cheekbone, really just to give that youthful, natural look. Last up is the Creative Kiss Lip Gloss. This color just looks amazing on everyone, and it's a perfect finish for that natural, fresh face look. There's my fresh face look. Find more looks at honestbeauty.com or share your own honest beauty look using hashtag Let's Be Honest. Peace.